Want to earn money while you sleep? That's the power of dividend investing. In today's video, I'll show you how ordinary people are using dividends to build passive income, and how you can start even with small amounts. Why dividends matter. Dividends are payments companies give to shareholders from profits. According to Schwab, reinvesting dividends since 1993 could turn $10,000 into $182,000. By 2023, more than double the $102,000 without reinvesting. Dividend payers also historically outperform non-payers. Simplicity wins. The high-yield rule experts, like Ned Davis research, show that middling dividend yield stocks outperform high-yield traps over years. A $1,000 investment in the upper half of dividend payers in 1930 could grow into $31 million by 2024 versus $8.6 million for S&P 500. Strategic ETFs and stocks. Best options include ETFs like SCHD, VIG, Fidelity Global Quality Income, or SPD or Dividend ETF. These combine dividend yield with buybacks and debt reduction for stability and growth. Real example: Capital Group Dividend Value ETF, CGDV, returned approximately 20% in 12 months, outperforming S&P 500. Dow Inc. Dow stock yielded over 10.4% in July 2025. Developing your personal strategy. Here's your plan. Start with a core index ETF VUEVTI. Add a dividend ETF SCHD AVIG. Optionally choose 1-2 to high-quality dividend stocks. Use dividend reinvestment DRIP plans for automatic compounding, with no extra fees. Real-world example and tools. Meet Sarah. She invests $200 a month. $100 into VT, $30 into SCHD, $10 into CGDV. If her portfolio averages 7% yield plus 3% growth, she could earn $600 a year in dividends in just 3 years, with growing wealth in the base portfolio. Use tools like Simply Safe Dividends to screen stable dividend stocks and avoid cuts. Risks and cautions. Avoid chasing extreme yields. They often signal failing companies. Recognize that companies can cut dividends. Diversification in ETFs helps manage that. That's your beginner's roadmap to passive income using dividend investing. Start small, reinvest, stay consistent. Hit like if you learned something new. Subscribe for weekly investing tips, and comment which ETF or stock you're considering.